I have a sense that the waters of our body have something to do with this continuum of song, our song chord, as these waters are primordial and have cycled in and through our planet and cosmos, through all of our bodies, rain, mist, whales, oceans, all of the water bodies since infinity, who knows how long. Our unique song chord, this non-visible vibrational essence of us that exists before birth, is a continuum of song through the waters of the womb, through the journey of our life, and that which we return to after our body becomes compost. Our voice carries codes and information that can activate ours or another's DNA or energy points on the planet and awaken our remembering of our origins. We carry that ancient water in our bodies and the imprint of every place that we've been on the earth and that we've connected with. Now, after 2 years working with my friend Jane and Piha, the communication is opening in much clearer ways. Jane is what I've called a sonic medium. She's a delightful, child-hearted, gives zero fucks, 60-something-year-old cosmic elder who says, don't overthink it. It's as easy as eating an ice cream. We're so incomprehensibly powerful, every single one of us, that influencing the architecture of reality is as easy as eating an ice cream, is what her guides amusingly showed her one day. Our sessions have been a luminous guiding light in the darkest and brightest journey over the last 4 years of my life. Literally through this playtime with her, we would have this casual phone call, quick chat, and I'd channel sound, freestyle, whatever tones, textures, frequencies, and language came through. And she'd share the information that she saw weaving through the play of my voice, through the frequencies. I'm starting to understand and accept my path as a song carrier and a bridge between worlds. And I share my story to hopefully inspire or empower any of you who may find this on your journey to remember ourselves as the powerful and unique souls that we each are, carriers of codes in our DNA that are essential for the song of our human story and evolution right now.